The new document opines about the standard of care for the training and specific skill sets that an indoor environmental professional or hygienist must have in order to be involved in a mold remediation project. And if the IEP is giving you grief but doesn't actually have the qualifications and skills set out in the new S520, they violated the standard of care, and it can be used to discredit them.
First of all, there's a myth that an IEP has to be involved in every project. There's a lot of mold remediation done on small scale or simple terms where a remediator will be able to do a PRE, a post-remediation evaluation, and clear their own work and develop their own scope. An IEP also does have to be especially trained for a PRV because a PRV is analytical. And a PRV therefore requires experience that an IEP must have in terms of everything from sampling to documentation.
We're going to give you tips on how to navigate these changes in the upcoming webinars on June 13 and June 25.